I had the joy of interviewing Terence Tao about cosmic distances. For example, here's how people first learned the distance to nearby galaxies.
In a galaxy, most stars, you cannot measure the brightness of a single star because there's just billions of them all crammed in the same place. But there are some amazingly bright stars. They're called Cepheids, these supergiant stars that are thousands of times brighter than the sun. Some of them live in our own galaxy, and some of them live in other galaxies. They still blend in, but you can still kind of measure their brightness. These stars are what are called variable stars. So most stars, they stay the same intensity for all time, but the Sephied stars, their brightness oscillates. So they have a period of intensity, like every 20 days, every 10 days, they oscillate. And it turns out that the bigger the Sephied, the brighter it is, the longer the period. If a galaxy happened to have a Sephied in it, you could just observe it, work out its period, that gives you its intensity. So now you know how bright it should be, and you know how bright it looks, you can measure its distance. That gave the next rung of the ladder, so a couple thousand galaxies where you can measure the distance. But that, again, is only a tiny portion of the universe.